my first YouTube paycheck, and I'm gonna tell you how much small YouTubers make. So basically today I'm going to tell you the exact figures, no cornering or something. Welcome to my channel. My name is Charlow Kush. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So the requirements for being monetized on YouTube is around 4,000 watch hours and about 1,000 subscribers. That's what you'll need for long form content, maybe vlogs or something. And maybe for the YouTube shorts, you'll need 10 million views on the shorts. So guys, let's dive right in. I was actually monetized. I started my YouTube channel on August last year, August 2023, and I got monetized on the last day of October. I'm gonna show you how much I made on that day and also let you know how much I made for the entire month of November. So that's where we're going to start. Guys, right now I'm on my laptop and we said we are not gonna cornering. So I told you guys I was monetized the last day of October and this is the amount I made. So guys, right now you are seeing YouTube Studio, and this is where most YouTubers will not show you. So this is where we get to see all our analytics about our videos, how they perform, how many views you got on a specific video, yeah, and something like that. So I've just opened full analytics on everything about 2023, yeah? So in 2023 the total amount of views I got is 178,000. And the total amount of views 178k, and the number of hours is right there, and the subscribers I gained is 2,800 subscribers. So the cumulative amount of money I made on November was $184.56. I'm also going to confirm on my YouTube Studio as well. And remember something else, YouTube usually has a threshold on the amount of money you're going to withdraw. So the amount has to be above 70 euros for you to be able to make your first withdrawal. At the same time, YouTube pays the 21st of every month. So the amount that you're making right now, you are going to be paid the 21st of the next month. So you'll definitely know the amount that you are going to receive. So at the same time, I told you I opened the analytics for the whole year of 2023. So I'm gonna show you the amount I made from the moment I got monetized on November and December as well. This is basically an overview of all the videos that I did in November. You can see like the amount I was making on the specific videos. This one I made like $39, $34. So the amount varied depending on the views, depending on the duration that people are watching, location where they're watching from. So you realize like every video its earning is very different. So let me show you guys for such a video that got, let me show you, this video got 6,214 views and the watch was 610, and it got me 90 subscribers, and this is the amount I made, 34. So that was one video. So here we are with 178,000 views in 2023. I made $311.70. Now we have 311.70 USD. Now that is on YouTube. Remember, the amount has to be deducted. Yeah, the tax here, there are some countries that maybe don't, there are some countries that don't pay taxes. If you have, maybe it is called a tax treaty with Google AdSense, yeah, something like that. So in our country, Kenya, we don't have any kind of treaty with Google or something, so we must pay 30% withholding tax on any amount that you're making from your videos. So now I guess we'll have to go straight to the exact amount that I received on my bank account. So here we are, the amount I received, the amount on 22nd January 2024. Now we are talking of $184 for November, because that's what we are talking about. So this is the amount that I received, which is 23,321 Kenya shillings. And remember, the amount usually has the bank usually cut their commission. Their commission that they cut is 690 Kenya shillings. They call it commission on inward Swift. Now let's go to December. December I made a total of $122. Yeah, and I also received it on the same day. I actually received on 22nd of January 2024. Yeah, I received 15,031 Kenya shillings. That's the amount that's deducted, like after everything is deducted from the taxes, yeah, something like that. And then we also have the commission that was deducted as well. Yeah, so the total amount I received the whole year of 2023 is 38,355. And when we see the conversion in USD, now here is the same amount now in USD. Yeah, I received $262. And remember, the initial amount was 311. Let me see the total amount that went to the taxes. It's $49. Now, I don't know, that's close to 30% of the total amount. So taxes must be paid. So to just be clear for you guys, the amount that you're seeing here, the $311 right here, is the amount that I made after I got monetized. And I told you I got monetized at the end of October 30th. So the amount is from October 30th to December 31st. Yeah, like that, December 31st. I told you, no cornering on anything. That's the amount I made from November and December. So this video was actually about how much small YouTubers make, and I told you the amount, the exact amount I made. I hope you guys have learned something. And also, in case you want to start a YouTube channel, just start, guys. Yeah, because nothing comes overnight. You see, you will slowly be a big YouTuber as time goes by. You just have to trust the process in every day. And by the way, let me tell you guys, never expect so many views. No matter how good you've done your video, no matter how you think like, yeah, I made a very good video, it might look like crap on someone's eyes. So never trust, like, just don't expect so many views on a single video. Just continue trusting the process each and every day. Continue doing videos, upload a video each and every day, and you'll surely get the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers as well. So continue working hard on your YouTube channel the same way I'm doing, and I believe very soon we'll also be big YouTubers as the others. So I just did this video to encourage someone who wants to start a YouTube channel. Yeah, we are not yet there, we're still pushing, and I hope this touches someone who always watches my videos. You should know, like, the more videos you have on your channel, the more your revenue will be, because those videos will tend to get views once in a while. Like, as time goes by, the videos will accumulate more views. So more videos means more revenue on your channel, because some videos will even tend to get you, you never know, maybe $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 a day. So imagine you have like 300, 500, maybe 1,000 videos on your channel. So you definitely, your revenue will be higher compared to when you have less videos. So in this case, if you want to start a channel, kindly try your best to do a video each and every day. And even if it's not daily, kindly consider like uploading a quality video after every day. Like, ensure like every video that you're making today is better than the one that you made yesterday. So that way your channel will grow steadily. And at the same time, our paces are so different. I told you I took like 3 months before I got monetized on my channel. So you don't want to start a YouTube channel now and maybe you don't see videos, you don't see views on your channel, maybe you want to give up. And remember, so many times I had like 200, 300 views, maybe 500, but now as time goes by, you tend to see like there's growth. Though I have not reached where I'm getting like a lot of views, but I just want to tell you guys like my process and how everything is. So continue doing more videos, and time with time, everything will come to pass and you'll get monetized. Guys, that was the overall earnings on my YouTube channel for the last year 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you enjoyed it, kindly give the video a like. Also share with all your friends and family, let them know how YouTube works. And maybe if you're here, and hope you learned something. If you have a YouTube channel, maybe you're starting, I hope you've learned something. So give the video a like, and kindly don't miss the video that I'm going to put for you in the next clip. So from this side, bye bye.